In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and change themes in Thunderbird. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top right and click on the three lines, and then from here you want to click on add-ons and themes. So just click on that, and then from here you want to go to themes over here on the left, and as you can see by default there's only going to be a few of them, okay? So if you want to add more of them and download them and add them in here, it's actually super simple. Go to the search box up top, and what you want to do is simply type in whatever, for example theme, and click on the search box. This is going to open the search for themes over here. You can just go and hover over themes up here, and you can go and select most popular, top rated, newest, and then you have like a bunch of different categories. Just go ahead and basically select whichever one you want. So for me here, I'm just gonna go with, let's do most popular, and I'm actually gonna see, there we go, there's a bunch of different ones, and let's say this one is interesting, I'm just going to use this one. You want to find the one you want to use, and you want to click on add to Thunderbird, and when you do this, it's going to add like this. Click on the add button top right, and there we go. That's really all you have to do. It's going to download it and change it automatically for you just like that, okay? Then you can go back to your themes, and here you can then change between them by clicking on them over here and enabling a specific theme, okay? That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.